friends, let's go to my dream world. I'm Ari, and I'm here to say we go on adventures every day. Mosey and Josie and the crew, we're always looking for something new. Come along and have some fun, because the fun has just begun. Are you ready? Let's go! Woo! Ari's Dream World, 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 Ari's Dream World. Yeah! Oh, hey guys, it's Ari, and welcome to my dream world. I'm super excited you're here. Friends, I'm a little confused. Mosey sent me this letter, but I'm not quite sure what it means. Here, let's read it together. Mosey, Josie, and family fun. We can't wait to play in the wonderful sun. 2 new friends are here to stay, and they're ready to party and play all day. But first, you've got to go on an adventure where you find your furry friends in places brand new. And then there's just some scrambled up words at the bottom. I don't know. Friends, I know it's a riddle, but we gotta figure out what it means. Let's start by unscrambling this hidden phrase at the bottom. Okay, it looks like there's an E, H, okay, an I, D, H, D, I. Oh wait, this means hide and seek. Friends, I get it. We have to go on an adventure to find Mosey, Josie, and their cousins, Foster and Skylar. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Come on, friends, let's go to my dream door. Woo. This is my dream door, and it can take me anywhere I want to go. Let's go on an adventure to find our friends. Oh my gosh, it's a star. I wonder what it's doing here. What happens if we... Oh my god, a clue! A clue to where our first furry friend is hiding. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, there your friend isn't far. A knock knock here, a knock knock there, a joke could be heard everywhere. I know exactly who that is. Let's go. Guys, do you hear that? It sounds like Josie. Hi, Josie.
Hi, Ari! You found me!
Yes. Say hi to our friends.
Hi, friends! Hey, Ari! I think it's time for some Josie's jokes!
Oh my gosh. Same. I love your jokes, Josie. Can I tell them with you?
Oh, yes! That would be awesome!
Yes.
Let's do it! Yeah! Today we're going to play a game. We are going to tell jokes, and whoever laughs the most loses!
Ooh.
Are you ready, Ari?
Oh my gosh, yes.
Okay, are you ready, friends?
Yes.
Great! Let the games begin!
Yes.
What is fast, loud, and crunchy?
I don't know. What is?
A rocket ship!
Oh. Oh my god, that was so funny. Good one, Josie. Okay, what animal has to wear a wig?
I don't know.
A bald eagle.
Why did the chicken cross the road?
I don't know. Why did the chicken cross the road?
Oh, this is such a good one. To get to the other side!
But why did the gum cross the road?
Ooh. I don't know, Ari. Why?
Because it was stuck to the chicken's foot.
That was so funny.
Oh my God, yes it was.
This was so much fun and so hilarious. I think it was a tie.
Yeah, I think so too.
Well, thank you, friends, for joining me and Ari for another Josie's Jokes.
Yes. Well, Josie, I better get going.
Okay. Okay, Ari. Well, bye, Ari. See you later.
See you later.
I love that kid.
Oh, another clue. I love when it does that. Here you will find two friends where the fun will never end. So find the ones with rainbow fur and go jam out with Foster and Skylar. Oh my God, that's it! I miss them so much. Come on. Hey. Come on, guys, let's dance. All right, I see you. Come on now. Hey, hey, hey. All right now. This music is lit. Woo! It's my jam. I wonder where they could be. Oh my gosh!
Ari, you found us.
Yes. Hi, Skylar. Hi. Hi, Foster. Aw. Hi, guys. Oh my gosh, I haven't seen you in so long.
I know, we missed you.
I miss you guys too. Welcome to my dream world.
Oh man, we love it here. Right, Foster?
I'm so glad.
Hey, Ari, are you ready to rock out?
Yeah, let's do it.
Let's rock!
Yeah. Go, 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 go. Go. This is fire. Go, 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 go. Oh my God, that was so much fun! I'm so pumped! Hey, where'd Foster go?
Oh no, we were too loud.
Oh,
Can you help me find Foster, Ari?
of course I will. Foster!
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 Foster! Hey, Skylar. What did you mean when you said we were being too loud?
Oh, Foster's a little bit different.
Oh.
Loud noises scare him.
Oh. Oh. I get it. Oh my God! Foster, there you are! I thought I'd lost you. Phew.
Foster, are you okay? I'm sorry. I got a little carried away.
Yeah, I'm sorry too. Oh. Yay! We found him! Go team! Huh? Oh my gosh! It's a clue! Foster found a clue! Oh my gosh! I gotta get going, guys. But I had so much fun rocking out with you guys.
Me too.
Bye.
Bye.
I have the last clue. there's one more person we need to find, and I know exactly who that is. Together in the dream world with my green best buddy, a place of happiness, and there you will find me. Yep, let's go. Ha.
La 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 la. It's Mosey's Moments. Hey guys, it's Mosey. La 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 la. It's Mosey's Moments. Hey guys, it's Mosey, and welcome to Mosey's Moments. Mosey believes he has the best hiding space because Ari could not find me. Wait, did you hear that?
Boom!
Ah!
Ha! I found you! Hi, Mosey!
Hey, Ari, you did find me. You're awesome. That means you found everyone else too.
I sure did. I had so much fun rocking out with Skylar and Foster and telling jokes with Josie.
Oh, that's so awesome, Ari. Well, I was going to play a game with all of my friends, but since you're here, let's play a game.
All right.
It's called What Am I Thinking?
Oh.
Okay, we have to give each other clues about what we're thinking.
Okay. Sounds fun. Let's play.
Okay.
I'm thinking of something that grows with the water and the sun.
The water and the sun. Oh, a flower.
Yes, good job.
I'm smart. Yeah. Okay, my turn.
All right.
My turn.
Okay.
My turn.
Oh, okay.
My turn. Okay, I'm thinking of something sweet, yummy, and good on a hot day.
Oh my gosh, it's obviously lemonade.
No.
Well, what is it then?
Ice cream.
Ow!
Ice cream.
That's what?
Ice cream. Ice cream. We scream for ice cream. Ice cream. Ice cream. Ice
I
cream.
want ice cream. Okay, my turn.
Okay.
I'm thinking of something green, furry, and is my best friend.
Green fairy best friend. Who did that? It's me!
Yes,
it's
it's
Mosey!
you!
Mosey,
It's
your
Mosey!
best friend! Mosey! Mosey!
Yes,
Mosey!
it's
Mosey!
Mosey!
Mosey! Mosey! Give me a
All
hug.
right now.
I love you too.
I love you too.
Holla if you hear me.
Yay.
My turn.
Okay.
I'm thinking of a girl that has on a pink shirt and a
shirt.
gold star.
Oh. Pink shirt, gold. Is it me, Mosey?
Nope, it's Josie.
Oh.
No, I'm just kidding. Of course it's you.
Oh my God!
It's you,
Oh,
Ari.
it's me!
It's
Oh my
you.
God, it's me!
It's
Woo!
you.
It's me! It's me!
you.
It's me! It's me! It's me! It's me! Hey! Get it! Mosey, you are so silly.
I am. And friends, I'm so sorry, but it's time for us to go. But I'll see you guys next week. What?
That's what I said.
You say that?
Yeah.
Oh. Go ahead. You go.
Oh my gosh, Mosey. Well, friends, me and Mosey have to go, but we'll definitely be back to have more fun and adventures. And I hope you guys had so much fun playing hide and go seek today.